ओए और भाई की हालचाल। आइए देखते हैं आज का मन। तो स्वागत है सबका आज की दूसरी वीडियो पे। और ये होने वाली है थोड़े जाने माने हस्ती वाले एक कोर्स रिलेटेड, वो भी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की तरफ से। तो बस इस वीडियो में हम यही देखेंगे कि क्या है पूरा बवाल, क्या है पूरा प्रोसीजर और कैसे क्या कुछ सब कुछ होने वाला है। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम आइए देखते हैं। So in this video will be on English form because of as our rule or I don't know what we just considering. So you find this in the given link of a description. Actually, you find more than 3 or 4 links in the description, and the course is that the Microsoft Certified Dynamic 365 Fundamentals. So this is the course name, and we know the if here the value of the Microsoft certificate a lot. Actually most of the time I'm not considering the certification, but in this course I accept that there is a too much value of Microsoft certificates, and it's really means a lot. And if we talk about this course, so you will get this course absolutely free, definitely free. And this course contains so much kind of knowledge regarding the given the course content. And what you need to do, just click on the okay, there is a download certification skills outline. So if you click on that, so you will find the whole course content in a single PDF way, the what these course contains and what you will gonna learn in this course. Okay, so I don't need to download it again. And okay, now let's come to the point what the whole story is. So if you want to earn the certificate of this course, simply you need to go there, the certificate form, and here you will found this is a page. Sorry for the low screen, I told you my laptop is on something another. So there is a cost 99 USD, and converted to Indian rupees it 79 more than 3500 plus. So you don't need to do this. And this whole video's purpose is that there is okay, wait for the link opening. Okay, so there is a virtual training for this. If you gonna take a part in this training and attend it in the whole 2 days, so you will get a pass. In other way, I'm just considering is a voucher pass. So for this pass, you could use this pass for giving that test of Microsoft courses. So you don't need to spend like 3000 whatever the digit values, 99 USD dollar. So because of the certification of this exam is only of the procedure when you giving the exam of this, because this is a Microsoft, this is not a Udemy where you just enrolling and skipping the video and you will get the certificate. So this is not any kind of this. You need to cross that exam too. So that's why after you will get the certificate. So what was the procedure? There is a training for virtual, and they have a various of date of the training. When you see there is a venue of time like 25 November 2020 30 p.m. to 16:30 p.m. GMT +1 Brazil. So you need to convert this time in the Indian, so it will be like 2 p.m. of afternoon. So that would not be, if you will get the mail where the time is mentioned, you just that time convert the time into the Indian time, so what it would be. And here they will show the how, sorry for this. So here they will show the what they will teach you for the 2 days training, the introductions, and part 1 part 2 they have defined, and the introduction to Microsoft Dynamics. They have a whole like content that what they will give that during of the training. And for the registration you need to simply fill these form, that the file name, last name, email, phone number, job role. We are a student, company name, we have a college name, company country, region where we belongs, and the company size is considering as a zero. Sorry for okay, so there is a no zero, so you just fill that the 1. Company size you just fill the 1. And job role I told you just fill the student as we are right now. And if you are in company, so I think you don't need to know these information. And then after the register now, so there is a confirmation link, there is a confirmation email sent to your Gmail, to that mail ID you registered there. So if you in this Gmail you will found like just a confirmation email, not more than this. There is a no tricky portion inside it, and but future information will be given by the medium of a Gmail, and Gmail will come into the promotion sections mostly, and it may be on the spam section. And they have two more dates for these exam or for these virtual training. That there is a two more dates for these virtual training, and that this date is 3 December, 3rd of December, and the last that link may date have sorry for the until that link it opens, we will give you another option for the Microsoft. I think you need to do something more from yourself. So just one back. So that page they have, if you want to learn, if you want to do that course before that, this is absolutely free. You need to start, click on the start program there, and here you will go to the another section, and you will learn this course from there. You need to prepare yourself because this is a Microsoft exam, not any university's exam. So you will be aware of this level of that exam, because if you want to earn the Microsoft certificate, so you need to do your best. So before the training, before the getting a pass or voucher for the examination, you need to prepare this exam too. So here they have a full query of full content of this. You just simply start, just simply click on the start button, and you will find the course content too. And sorry for my network connectivity, you found that there is a two danda only, sorry for this. So here they will show the introductions and the video to watch this video. So since begins the discovery of the dynamic, and they have a 4 code percentage. You need to go to the continue section, and I think that link will be open. Okay, so the third link's date is 10th and 11th of December, 10th and 11th of December, 3rd or 4th of December, and the nearest date is okay, we will know. So the nearest date is 25 to 26 November. So it depends on you, how when you feel yourself prepared, how much time taken you to make yourself prepared for this exam. So choose date wisely, or what date you would like to consider it. So here they have a video lecture, or they have the next Microsoft Business application. Let's move forward to the next unit. So you will learn that regarding these course information from there. So here you will get the better knowledge, and then after you will get the exam. So this video is only for the generally study related student. Like there is a no fake thing. If you want to earn this certificate only for the Microsoft values and without doing nothing, so I don't think you will get this certificate too. So if you really want to read the knowledge, skills, and then you want to achieve the certificate, so that's why this video is for you. So that's why click on the like button if you really like this video, and that's all that video have. I personally advise you to, if you generally want to do this course or do Microsoft certificate, please do that course must after taking the exam, because the whole exam is totally depend on this course. This will on display showing the whole exam will be depend on these. So hope I able to understand you every part of this video. If any query, so you can connect to the Telegram, or comment section is always open for you. Just do comment whatever comes in your mind, and this video will goes to the so much longer. So I hope it's okay. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Tony Zindabad. Bharat Mata ki Jai.